Louder Than Life is just days away. Over 95 bands. Don't wait and miss unforgettable sets from 9 Inch Nails, Slipknot, Kiss, and Red Hot Chili Peppers. Everything you need to know is in the description of this video. We have an update regarding the investigation into shock rocker Marilyn Manson. Manson denies all of the allegations against him, which have been made by multiple different accusers. Late last month, we learned that an attorney representing one of those accusers, Ashley Smithline, had filed with the court to be dropped from the case because that attorney says that his client, Ashley Smithline, had breached their retainer agreement. According to Radar Online, the motion said that Smithline's conduct had rendered it unreasonably difficult for counsel to carry out the representation effectively. It said, Smithline has breached the terms of her retainer agreement. The lawyer said he provided Smithline with a reasonable warning after the breach that he would be withdrawing unless she fulfilled the terms of the retainer agreement. A judge is set to rule on that later this month. But for now, we have a new update from the LA County District Attorney, who in a clip that we will show you in just a moment, spoke on that investigation. And what he revealed was that the case is still active, and the sheriff's office that is investigating it has not yet presented the case to him. And when that case presentation occurs, the prosecutor will make a decision at that time about whether or not there is enough evidence or not enough evidence at all to charge Manson with a crime. Remember, just because he is under investigation does not mean he has committed a crime or that he will be charged with a crime. Nobody knows the answer to that yet, and it seems as though the prosecutor himself does not know the answer to that question. Here is the LA County District Attorney speaking on the status of that Marilyn Manson investigation.
The Brian Wardner matter is still under investigation by the Los Angeles County Sheriff Department and has not yet been submitted to our office. Be assured that we are requesting regular updates on the status of this investigation. The District Attorney is committed to investing in trauma-informed care for all victims of sexual assault, abuse, and intimate partner violence. We understand how difficult it may be to come forward as a victim, especially when the case involves this level of notoriety, and are dedicated to treating all victims with the highest level of care and respect. Once we have received the case, it will be carefully evaluated by an experienced prosecutor to determine if it is appropriate to file charges at this time. We're hopeful that the LASD will present the case to us sometime this month.
Now, the interesting revelation made here by this district attorney is that he expects this presentation to be made within the next few weeks, which means we should know in short order what is going to happen with this Manson investigation. Will he be charged or will he not be charged? Again, just because he's under investigation does not mean that he has committed a crime. And we know this investigation has been ongoing for a while, and we know his home was searched back in November of 2021. We don't know exactly how long this investigation has been underway, but again, it does seem to be winding down, and we should know a lot more information very soon. And due to the high-profile nature of this case, you can expect that whether or not they decide to charge him, they will provide an explanation either way about this investigation. We will probably learn a lot more about the case. And that is not the end of the legal road for Manson. Again, he is facing multiple lawsuits, but obviously when it comes to being charged with a crime, that is the more serious situation. So if he is not charged with a crime, they will move forward with the lawsuits that are against him, and that will also probably be a very high-profile situation. So as always, we will keep you updated on this case and more rock news. Make sure you subscribe to Rock Feed for the latest news and updates about your favorite musicians.